In this video, we are going to talk about how to invest like the rich and retire comfortably. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Wealthy people invest their money to keep the status quo and grow their fortunes. You must learn about money, personal finance, and investing if you wish to invest like the wealthy. Knowledge of money will cause you to reconsider your financial decisions. You'll also need to understand the concepts followed by the wealthy in their financial endeavors, as well as the attitude of a successful investor. In this video, we'll walk you through the stages to investing like the rich. Keep an eye out. 15. Start by investing in yourself. Investing in yourself should improve your understanding and capacity to provide better help. You can begin investing in yourself by doing the following steps. 14. Set financial objectives. You could, for example, set a goal to save a certain amount by a certain date. Maintain your focus on your savings goals by sticking to these goals. 13. Make a budget that is tailored to your needs. Your budget should not be identical to everyone else's. Setting spending limitations for yourself is made easier with budgeting. Money Patrol, for example, is a budgeting service that can help you keep track of your expenditures. 12. Attend school or enroll in certain classes. Learning a new talent allows you to become more adaptable in terms of career choices and well-paying work chances. You may acquire free webinars or a college course from sites like HubSpot to assist you learn more about topics like SEO and startup enterprises. 11. Get in the habit of paying yourself first. Paying yourself allows you to cover unexpected costs. You pay yourself by putting a portion of your income into an automatic savings account, such as the Chase Savings Account. 10. Put your money into a diversified portfolio. Diversification of your portfolio is critical for wealth preservation. It basically entails having various investments that react to the same market in different ways. Equities, for example, tend to perform better than bonds as the economy grows, while bonds perform better than stocks as the economy slows. When markets swing one way or the other, having both stocks and bonds will reduce the financial impact on your portfolio. This is also true for other types of assets, such as real estate and cash. 9. Think about other investment options. You can invest in alternative assets such as creating a side hustle will assist you ease financial stress and provide you the freedom to make new decisions. You can do things like deliver packages or go to Fiverr to locate a range of side hustle opportunities. 8. Evaluate and adjust your progress on a regular basis. It's crucial to keep track of your development for the following reasons. It allows you to think about your next move and reassess your strategy. Reviewing means repeating the process, which ensures that you have a thorough understanding of the process and minimizes bottlenecks in your investments. It keeps track of your activities and ensures that you prioritize improvement. Reviewing your goals might help you connect with them and get the confidence you need to attain them. 7. Keep your spending and saving habits in check. For the following reasons, good spending habits are essential. It assists you in sticking to your budget. Reviewing your budget will assist you in reducing unnecessary expenses, allowing you to better manage your finances. If your budget review reveals that you have spent less than expected, you will have some money to set aside for savings. You can achieve your financial goals by practicing disciplined spending and saving habits. By planning and being disciplined about your saving habits, you are more likely to meet your investment savings target. Expenditure habits that are disciplined will ensure that your spending meets your priorities. 6. Study investing as much as you can. Many schools do not emphasize the importance of money skills. The steps that will educate you how to invest are outlined below. 5. Purchase and read investment books. Various authors will provide you with sound advice on where to invest your money and how to maximize your profits. You'll learn about stock market trends and how to put your money to work for you. 4. Learn about the terms used in the investment world. Financial terms must be understood. Always look up any financial jargon you're not familiar with. As you continue to read the books, these phrases will become more familiar, and you will begin to appreciate the benefits of these terminology. 3. Read the prospectus for the fund. When you decide to invest in stock markets, index funds, or mutual funds, your broker will provide you with a prospectus detailing your investing options. This will provide you with the relevant information about the investment you are about to make. This information covers the company that is issuing the stocks, the number of shares available, growth, and so on. 2. Go to personal finance websites and read what they have to say. As you begin your investing adventure, there are hundreds of financial websites and blogs, as well as media articles about the investment, that you should read. You'll be able to communicate with online financial specialists, who can assist you in taking your investment to the next level. Investopedia, The Balance, NerdWallet, and the Financial Times are some examples of investment and money websites. Feel free to check our financial blog at bacoinvest.com, and you will find the link in the description page. 1. Enroll in a free online investment course. You may take investment courses online to learn new skills or gain expert knowledge on a variety of topics. The majority of them are free, and you can learn at your own pace. The College Investor, Stock Markets from Scratch on Udemy, and Investing and Trading on TD Ameritrade are some of the investing courses to examine. So, that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to our channel before you go. See you in the next video.